What are we going to do? Oh, yeah, the fart thing.
Fart thing.
All right, Rosie,
okay,
do your best,
fart
most convincingly genuine fart noise. Go.
Okay, I'm not going to give it my all. Like this.
Anything.
No, hang on, I'm just trying to think what kind of a fart I'm going to go for, because I'm not being funny, but there are many different types of farts. I don't know,
that's crap. Right, I'm going to do what yours.
Sound realistic.
Yours is like...
Mine are like this.
No, a lot of yours, what I like to call the slow release, and it's like, right, just like that, and then you'll just do it. You'll go. Yours sounds sad and melancholy. So Rosie will be like, just lying in bed, and I'll go. You'll hear. And I'm like, Rosie, why are your farts so sad?
Yeah, but
mine are always like.
What's funny is, I always do fart, right? And even if it's really long, like that. Afterwards, I always do a little at the end.
I think your most common fart is.
No, you can't. It's more like.
Rosie, the other day, you was so loud. I was like, was that you? And you were playing on your phone, just like. And last night, right, so basically Rosie's got this habit, right, of doing a fart, and if it's really smelly, like really bad, I smell it, and then my farts smell the same, and I'm like, how are you in my body?
Because we eat the same food. Last night we both ate vegan fajitas, right? They were made of butternut squash. I had some gluten-free powder stuff, some like tomato saucy stuff, and we wrapped them up with some guac, right? And avocado and spinach. We ate the exact same thing. I farted, it smelled. Rose farted, it smelled. Rose was like, because I've inhaled your fart, my fart smells the same. I'm like, Rose, we ate the same food all day. We've eaten the same food. Can
I say, Miriam, thanks to you girls, I met the love of my life and we're getting married. Congratulations!
Send me your story.
Send me your story.
What do you mean? If you
can't
smell the you've met for each other.
I think so.
I think so.
Once Rosie had diarrhea and I smelt it, and then my diarrhea at mum's.
Yeah, again, I think it's because we ate the same food, so we obviously both had diarrhea. But Rose was like, I'm really mad at you because you had diarrhea. That means I had diarrhea. I was like, no, there's no reason we both had diarrhea. Such a blamer.
You're a flamer.
Do some more farts.
Rose, why are you mentally 12? I don't know.
I like it.
I'm hoping I'll just never age. Like
farts, you're making me laugh.
Okay, another one.
I do a big trombone one sometimes.
No, that's not it.
It's like diarrhea. That's fun. That's quite good.
That's just like you. That's what I like to call the flapper.
How can you do realistic farts? I can't do them. Teach me. No.
I love the high pitch ones kill me. They really. What? There you go. I've also got a cold. I'm not always this disgusting. I'm not like one of these children that is like, do you know when I was young, Rosie, this woman was like, she must have been about 16 or 17, and she must have been on work experience at nursery. And I was there, right, and I asked to have my apple peeled. Yeah. First of all, that was a big problem for her. She was just like, yeah, every day. And I'm like, I don't like the skin. So anyway, I had my apple peeled, and she came back, and I was like, okay. And then I had a really runny nose. So as a child, I got my sleeve, and I did that because I didn't have a tissue. Yeah. And she did this. She got my hand. She went, that's disgusting. And then left me alone. And I was like, you didn't even chop my apple.
We'll give you a tissue. So what's the point in that? What a bitch.
What a bitch. She scarred me for life. She hasn't stopped me doing it, though. Let me hear. Never the ear. No, I don't want it. No, I don't want it. No, I don't want it.
Give me another one.
No,
Free time lucky. No, you're snoggle.
I'm sorry. It does that sometimes.
Love Rosie harder, Rose, says Pete Fanny.
Okay, Pete Fanny. There you go.
Do you just get an email?
Yeah.
No offense, I've got 668 unread emails, and I went through and deleted loads the other day.
No offense, why have you got 668 James Awards? Something to laugh about, Rosie. It's a real life condition. Would you go to Mars if you could?
No.
I'd go.
No.
I'd go.
Oh.
Bye!
No.
I'd go to Mars on my own. I'd be like, right, where can I live stream? That's what I do. be fine. I'll be like, guys, there's nothing to do up here, so I'm just gonna have to touch myself, like every other day.
Really yummy.
Okay, Rosie, this is it. This is your chance to. Do you want to play a scenario-based game?
Yeah.
Okay, Rosie.
Yes.
If I had skin that was constantly the temperature of the sun, would you still have sex with me?
If you had skin that was constantly the temperature of the sun.
Yes. I'm that hot.
What?
What?
What would I have to do?
Do you still have with me?
Oh. How do you survive?
So I'm used to it. If only that were true.
Yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, because our love would ignite.
Oh, I like.
And then you'd have first-degree burns worth it. Okay, so
you would.
Isn't Steve her husband? Yeah, Steve. Is that a horse? Remember when you had Steve the horse on Red Dead?
Hellboy,
I missed that game. I really want to play it more. Philippines. I want to go to the Philippines.
I want to go to the Philippines.
I want to. Someone to say lobster. No, rock lobster. Hi. Tell scary stories, says Ali. Okay, I'll start a scary story off for you. 7 years ago, Rosie used to date men. These men would often come with something they called pork swords, and Rosie loved it. Deep in the darkest depths of Rosie's heterosexuality lay some...
Bisexuality.
Oh yeah. Technicalities. Lay all the remains of her ex-boyfriends. They said. No, they didn't. What did they say?
The other thing you do. I missed that.
What is that? Well, I'm going to tell you a story now, okay?
Okay. You're gonna scare me.
I'm trying to think of a really good scary story. Something that's actually happened to me, perhaps. Oh, once I got chased through the woods. But actually, this is an interesting story.
Okay, I'll tell you a genuinely scary story.
This is actually, I thought about this last night when I was going to bed. When I was about 13, 14, we used to go to this bar in Foundhope, of all places, in Herefordshire. And there was always this guy there called, I think his name was like Alcatraz.
Right. Thank you,
Sarah. Clearly a paedophile. Clearly. And he used to be at every one of our social occasions. And not one of us, as a 13-year-old, would blink an eye. He was about 45. And we were just like, oh, hey, it's that guy. He'd be in the corner like, a drink, and we'd be like, nay. And that's really a funny story. It's actually quite concerning. It's concerning that at 13 we didn't realise the dangers. I can't believe that at 13 you didn't realise the dangers. But I thought about it the other day and I thought, Jesus Christ, what is my life? She's a superhero.
Buffy.
Do you believe in God? Do you know what? I never did. And now I think I do.
I believe in God. I don't believe in God as a man in the sky, right? And I don't like, it's horrible saying I believe in God because sometimes it comes with connotations that aren't true. Even the Bible.
My spirit.
Not any religion, like, oh, I'm not Christian or whatever, or any religion. I don't believe that it's a man in the sky. I don't believe in, like, all the commandments and all that, although they're pretty good commandments, so you might as well. But I just believe that there is, I can't not believe that I just believe that there's a higher power, basically. And that's, be it called God.
All I know is that over the last few months, I have prayed and prayed seriously hard, and things have turned out okay.
Yeah.
That could be coincidence.
I believe in the power of prayer. I believe that's a higher power. I don't belong to a religion. Like, I once said, you wanted a video, you did quick fire questions. You said, do you believe in God? I said, yes, right? But I didn't explain about my beliefs. You know, different people believe in different gods. They have different religions, whatever. And this went mad. It was like, oh my God, you're stupid. I'm unsubscribing because you believe. Oh my God. First of all,
we're like, it just like extremist religious people.
Yeah, and like some people some people are Christian but don't believe in the Bible. Some people like this. Do you know what I mean? People have
I know what works
religion.
For me. I have to explain it.
It has so many layers. It's so in depth, and there's so many different parts to it. It's like,
thanks, Terry.
Oh my God, you can't just say something stupid because they don't believe what you believe. That's stupid.
Kate?
Do you believe in Santa?
Used to fully believe in Santa Claus.
And now you still do.
Until I figure out I was he. Wouldn't that be really crazy?
Well, if that was the logic, I'd be Mrs. Santa. And I'd also get the best presents.
You do get the best presents. I get you great presents, right? Mm-hmm. I do. What do you want this year?
Kiss. Ugh. Like, ugh. You smell like what you just ate.
Oh, really? Is it because I just ate it?
Yeah.
You don't kiss me when I've just eaten something that contains meat, though.
No, it's not just that it contains meat. That chili you always eat smells like fucking BO. It smells exactly like BO, and you eat it, and I'm like,
oh, sorry, Rosie.
I never used to be like a fussy person, but now I've refined my taste.
Really, really fussy. Crammers New, the quiz has 100 questions now. Oh my god, that's going to be so good.
Okay, but I have to give it.
That's going to be so good. Craziest thing you believe in? Well, Rosie's is probably bisexuality. Mine. Is it old yet? Yeah.
I got my note.
I'm only joking. I'm just trolling you. Craziest thing I believe. What's the craziest thing I believe? I don't know if it's crazy or not, really.
What?
I believe that my dog lives in the stars because there's a constellation
that looks
just like Tass and Wilma.
Tass and I
believe whenever I look at it that my dog's saying hello.
It's like when Mufasa's in the sky.
That's what I'm like, Tass and Wilma. Whatever Westie we get, she's always going to be in the sky.
Not in the sky yet.
No, I know, but she's going to... I can't think about it. It instantly makes me cry. It's the loss of Wilma or Flynn.
She's not lost there. Neither is Flynn. Flynn's upstairs.
I love her so much.
Wilma's Flynn.
Literally love her so much.
Maltese, any advice?
Yeah, I've got quite a little advice. When you're feeling a little down, sometimes you've got to think, what would a Canadian do? Okay? And the answer is sit there
and be polite.
Be polite and let the drama just unfold and just don't get involved. And sometimes you don't have to stick your oar in, unless someone might die.
Maybe they'll just drink some maple syrup.
That's not what they do. That is not what they do.
Sure
that's actually insulting. It's actually.
Isn't their flag like the maple leaf?
Yeah.
Maltese.